Brand new LG washer dryer combo, price $1,980. Lint problem from day one. $180 call out fee paid, $248 gold service extra paid. 3 months of complaints, no solution. Asked for a refund or exchange, but both LG and the good guys said, the machine has no fault. Am I overreacting? I couldn't find a lint filter anywhere, either inside or outside. The lint from this dryer irritates my skin after drying bed sheets. Have you experienced anything like this? Do you think I'm overreacting? What would you do if this happened to you? Let me know in the comments.